Hello everyone, it's Chris from FlagHouse, and I'm here with John Smith, and we're going to be looking at some great physically active classroom activities.
We are ready to go this time with things that the classroom teachers can use to keep their students active, prepared, and motivated for learning. We have scarves, timer tops, junior number spots, and more.
So stay tuned, because we're going to get your classroom moving. Coming up next on the FlagHouse Activity Channel.
Today's episode is about the physically active classroom. Things that you can do in your classroom with your teacher to be physically active, to get some exercise and things, but you don't have to go out in the gymnasium, or you can't go outside, or you can't do things in another room. So you're limited now to where we are in this classroom. Okay, now I'm going to tell you quickly with your hands what part of your desk to touch. And you got to do it pretty fast. So it'll be upper right, which is where, yep, right hand up here, upper left, lower right, lower left. Are you ready? Yep. Upper left, upper right, lower left, lower right, lower right. Okay, now you have to put both hands in those spots, not just one, but both. Upper right, upper left, upper right, lower left, lower left. Okay, now you can have one in each one. Okay, both uppers, both lowers, one upper, one lower. Now each of you is going to need 2 scarves of 2 different colors. How many scarves?
2 scarves of 2
different colors. Okay, if you'll pass those that way, if you'll pass those that way. Okay, just like this. These are my favorite ones. Now we're going to do some of them sitting down because it is just in our chair. Here we go, up and down, up and down. Pass those back there, you got them? Up and down. A little bit bigger, but don't hit the desk. Above your head. Both with a figure 8. It's a little bit of work. And what muscles are we using? Arms. Yeah, arms get a little tired. We're doing exercise, and these things don't weigh anything. But how many times we do it is what we do it. Okay, are we ready? I'm going to give you the shape. Take one of them, make that shape as best you can. So if I would say a square, you'd have to make a square. Ready? Square. Rectangle. Okay, now I'm going to give you, we'll do this one first. This is really cool. One hand, all you got to do is one. The alphabet, as fast as you can, capital letters. Go. Let's see. The first word is earth.
E.
R. Okay. The second word is equal. Now I'll give you some math facts. You just rate me the number in the air. 2 plus 2. What was it? 4. 6 plus 1. 7. 22 plus 11.
20.
33.
33. Very good.
2 times 6.
11 plus 4 plus 3. Now, for our next one, I'm going to pass out some numbers. Okay? Now you're going to probably, each person's probably going to get 4 or 5 of them. Okay? Now all I'm going to do, and I'm going to say even or odd. You're going to move the even ones to the front or the odd ones to the front of your desk. Ready? Even. Push them up to the front of your desk. So they'd be up here. Even would be up here.
Oh, okay.
Okay, even would be to the front so I can see them. Okay, switch them with the odds. Okay? Now every time I do that, I want you also to lift your seat, your buttocks off your seat 1 inch and sit back down again. Ready? Evens. Odds. Oh, see, now I get you thinking the high and low, don't I? Okay, now when I say switch, middle person, you're going to switch 1 number with each person on the side of you. So you're just going to go out like this, put 2 numbers out, get 2 numbers back. But what do you have to do while you were doing that?
Lift up.
My 1 inch. Ready? Switch.
I like my
Okay, this time, every time we put a change of numbers, you have to clap up here. Okay, clap up here. So I should hear one clap from everybody. Ready? Ready? Lowest number in front. Oh, you remembered to go up and do it, didn't you? That's very good. Ready? Highest number in front. Highest 3 numbers in front. I didn't hear a clap. Yeah, that's, see, what I'm doing now is I'm making you lift up a little bit without using your hands to push off your desk. Ready? So you're gonna have to do that clap again. 3 lowest numbers in front. And we're gonna do a circle. We're gonna follow Logan. He's gonna go this way. And we're gonna follow him on this side. And you're gonna follow Sam on that side. Okay? Now every time you go by a desk that has a number on it, except for Leah's, because she's gonna sit there, give her another number because we gotta get them all in order. Ready? Walk. Walk. Pick up a number as you go by. Pick up a number as you go by. Pick up a number as you go by. Put it on Leah's desk. Come on, quick, quick, quick.
They're not even the hint. The red ones are the first numbers.
Oh, Logan figured a pattern here. Patterns.
And then the second one.
What color is the second one?
Second ones are green.
I'm going to give you a top, spinning top, and you got to just practice keeping it spinning on your desk. Okay? So, yeah, can't do it too fast in the beginning. Okay? Too wild to spin. Ready? And spin. Stand next to your desk and march in place till it stops. Go. Spin. Come on. Take a look at your spinner. How's it doing? Still going? Still going? Oh, you guys are too good. You guys are too good. We got 2 people down. We got 3 down. And everyone down. Okay, back down. Good job. How many? We had 8 people still standing? Great job. Okay, I'm going to spin it again.
I'm still spinning.
You're still going? Okay, it's going to be a new spin. And this time you are going to stretch your arms up as high as you can, up onto your toes. As long as you can, as long as the spinner goes. Ready? Spin. Uh-oh, I see it. Come on, higher, higher, higher.
I can't go left.
Who's going to be the next one down? I hope not, I hope not.
I'm next.
Up, down. Okay, everybody down. Okay. Ooh.
Yay!
Now, once I give you your pen, you're going to start writing. You're going to spin and write. And every time you have a sentence, stand up, sit down.
Spelled my name wrong.
That's okay. Go up, down. Good. Up, down. Good. Okay, good. Did you stand up, sit down? And time. How many sentences you have?
3, 4,
3, 5, 8,
5, 6, 7, 8,
8, 5. Good.
7.
Well, this was part of the physically active classroom, the STEAM part. Science, technology, engineering, art, and math. Which one was your favorite?
Timer top.
Timer tops. Timer tops. Everybody seems to like those. I like the scarves the best because they're prettiest. But this is part of the physically active classroom, which we all should be. We should take a break every 10 minutes in class and do something. Or every hour, take a 10-minute class break and do something physical.
Thank you so much for checking out our videos. Please like, share, or drop us a comment, and you definitely want to subscribe to our channel. We always have a new episode every Wednesday morning. Click these links for more videos or access to the FlagHouse Activity Guide page. See you next time.